Hey babes, welcome to my channel.
Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. And today I have my boyfriend here.
Your boyfriend.
Finally, you're on my channel.
Yes.
How does it feel?
Good.
So we asked you guys on Insta story for some questions. I didn't really want to do the original boyfriend tag because it's like the questions are really weird. It's like, what are my eye color? Like,
Blue.
we know that. So I decided to ask you guys for some questions instead, and we are going to answer them today, and you will get to meet Jonas. So many questions. Okay, here we go. First off, a lot of you guys ask just what is your name? I've already said it.
Jonas.
Your name is Jonas. Or
Jonas.
Jonas, as we would say in Swedish.
Yeah.
What would you say in French? Jonas.
Jonas.
And I think that I've kind of misspoken, I don't know, or just not really said the exact truth about that you are French.
Half French.
You're half French.
Half.
But I've kind of said that you are
Yeah.
not Swedish at all, which is not true. You are Swedish and you know Swedish.
Yeah.
And you have lived in Sweden for a very long time.
A very long time. Moved here when I was 10.
10.
Yeah.
And
From France.
So you were born in France.
I was born in France.
Yes. So
Yeah.
you know French and Swedish.
I do.
Okay, how did we meet?
Tinder.
That's how we met. I don't know how you meet people if not. I swiped right, yeah.
Yeah, me too.
A lot of you guys have also asked, like, how was our first date? Or what did we do on our first
It's nice.
date?
We went to a bar and
Yes.
drank beer.
Yes. We had
That's
some
all.
beers.
A few.
A few.
Too many.
And then,
We went home separate ways.
so that's what we did the first time we met.
Mm-hmm.
We had some beers and it was really nice.
It was really nice. Yeah.
Yes.
I was hooked.
You were hooked.
I was hooked.
That's also a thing that people ask a lot. It's like, what attracted you to me at first? Like Tinder?
Well, Tinder's the looks.
But why did you like me on Tinder?
Because you look different from everyone else.
And I was hot.
Hot!
Hot, 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 hot.
Hot. Yeah.
And you were hot as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, a lot of people ask if we live together or are planning to move in together, and not really.
No.
No, we haven't been together for that long.
No.
Like almost 6 months, right?
Yeah.
Kinda?
Known each other for longer though.
Yeah. We have known each other for,
Almost 1.5.
yeah, almost
Yeah.
1.5 years.
Mm-hmm. It was hard.
It was hard. I was hard to get.
Mm-hmm.
So no, we don't live with each other, but
Kind of.
kinda, yeah.
Yeah,
You're
but I
at
have my
my
own apartment
you're at my place pretty much all the time.
all the time.
What's your job?
At the moment, I study.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're a student.
I'm a student.
A lot of people asked if you were a tattoo artist
Mm-hmm. No,
because
I'm
of
not.
the tattoos.
Yeah, no.
But
I'm
no,
not.
you're not. What do you love most about me?
I think that I like that you look hard on the outside,
Uh-huh.
but you're really soft in
Aw.
the inside.
If you could choose my hair color of all of the hair colors that I've had, like which one would you choose? What's your favorite?
I like orange a lot.
Mhm.
I already told you that. Or yellow.
I just dyed it yesterday, so it's
I
darker than before.
I like green.
Is it? How is it being in a relationship with someone from another country?
My question for me or question for you?
We are from the same country.
Yeah.
You're just born in another country.
Yeah.
I think it's my fault. I kind of made people think that you were from another country,
Yeah.
but you're not.
Yeah.
I just thought it would be more interesting. What do you think about me being on YouTube?
I think it's like any other job, but it's very different at the same time.
Do you think it's weird? It's a weird job?
Yeah, yeah, it is.
But you don't have anything
The whole
against
setup
it.
is weird. I think it's a cool job.
That was another question someone asked, like, if you think it's weird for me to like how I dress. You don't care.
I don't care.
Do you care about how I do my makeup?
I think no.
No.
You can do whatever you want.
A lot of people
don't
commented that on the dating a French guy makeup look, and they were like, no French guy would like that makeup. And I was like, but first time with each other, and dick emoji, this emoji, and cry laughing emoji.
Second time.
What do you mean?
Second date. What?
We don't really remember.
No. We don't.
So I don't know. We know as much as you do.
It was a long time ago.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. And we were drunk.
Will you ever get matching tattoos? That's a funny question because, whoops, we already have matching tattoos.
But not on purpose.
No, the crying eyes here. I have it. Okay,
She
it's
didn't
upside
know.
down. It's
I
there.
already had this one.
Yeah, you already had it, and I got it done. We were kind of dating.
Or maybe you knew.
Maybe I did, but I didn't really think about it. It was you guys have probably seen the vlog from it. I got these tattoos done. This one and the one saying "lucky you" downstairs.
Right.
Yeah, when we were kind of dating. I didn't think about it, but yeah. That was also a question. So someone asked, what do you think about my tattoo saying "lucky you" right beside my pussy?
I'm up for any tattoos, pretty much.
You don't care.
I don't care.
No.
At all.
It's fun.
And I think you actually got it while we were dating.
Yes, I did.
So yeah, lucky me.
Lucky you. Here's a question that so many ask. That you're a vegan.
Yes.
Yes, and you have been for a long time.
3 years.
3 years. Longer than me. Some people also ask that you're a feminist.
Yeah, I am.
Yes. And people say
Which
like,
everyone
what?
should be.
Can a guy be a feminist? That's weird.
Yeah.
Which is, then you probably don't know what a feminist is.
Yeah.
But sure. Here's a question from your friend. Ask Jonas to say I love you in French.
Je t'aime. Smooth.
Smooth. What was the moment you knew you wanted to be together?
Well, I knew quite fast.
Yeah.
Well, not together maybe, but being more serious. For you, it took a bit longer.
For me, it took like
You were wild and crazy.
1 year. 1 year.
And I tried
You tried so hard.
so hard.
And you did succeed.
I did.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
But it was worth it, right?
It was.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
What is your favorite tattoo of his and vice versa?
Oh yeah, that's a good question. You don't even know what I have.
No, I think that one, the cow.
The cow. Okay, yeah.
That's my favorite. It's a cow, and I love cows, and that's a girl crying. It's very high on vegan.
Yeah, that's my vegan
Vegan tattoo.
vegan tattoo.
And what is
Cow.
your favorite tattoo on moi?
I think whatever forever. I think that's nice. I didn't even know what it was from the beginning, where it came from. But I like it.
I like it as well. Made by Asin, my favorite.
It's his subject sign.
What is your zodiac sign? Aquarius, right? Okay, so zodiac signs, you're
Aquarius.
Aquarius and I'm Aries.
Yeah.
But I have no idea what that means. I just know that Jenna Marbles, you know,
Yeah.
the boyfriend is an Aries, and they joke around all the time that people that are Aries is so annoying.
Yeah.
But I'm nothing like Julian, so I don't know.
A little bit annoying. Sometimes.
Excuse me. Comment se fight il que tu sois en Sweden.
Almost.
Almost?
Yeah, no.
No.
How come you are in Sweden?
How come?
I moved here
Because
18 years ago.
Because of your mom.
Yeah.
Your mom's Swedish and your dad is French.
Yeah.
So that's why. Did you know before you met me that I'm a YouTuber?
Yeah, it said it on your Tinder
On my
profile.
Tinder, yeah.
I looked her up.
Yes.
Yeah, I did.
It's not that hard.
It's not so hard.
On YouTube, you can just type Evelina and
Yeah.
I'm there, you know. What is one thing you guys admire, appreciate about the other person?
I think you really care about me.
Caring.
Yeah, you're a very caring person. You care about me
Yeah, I do.
when I'm stressed,
I'm glad you
and it
noticed.
shows.
I admire that you have the same, what's it called? Opinions.
Mm-hmm.
We have the same opinions.
Yeah.
And like politically humane opinions, just, you know, which I really appreciate and love about you. We're kind of the same. Like
Yeah,
that,
we are.
which is really, really nice. Oh, this one is fun though. Okay, let's say that this is our last one. Because I think that I've kind of mentioned it in some videos.
Mm-hmm.
So the question is, were you looking for a serious relationship when you met on Tinder, or did you just fell in love?
No, I wasn't. I was single.
You were single.
I was
and
living
I was
the single life.
Yeah, we both were.
Yeah.
We were single Pringles. We were not looking for
No.
anything. But
But what?
you kind of changed your mind when you met me after
Yeah.
a few.
So wild. And you were hard to get,
Yes.
which was interesting.
You were not used to.
Which was interesting.
So you chased me for like 1 year.
Yeah. Almost.
And now we're a couple. Okay, so that is it for us. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like.
Smash that like button.
Yeah, good job. And
And
please,
you have to do that.
you do. Good job. Please subscribe as well and comment down below if you guys want to see us do anything else. If you want another like boyfriend tag kind of thing, or just if you don't want it, also comment. Hope you guys will have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in in my next video.
In our channel.
In my- Okay, bye guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.